Now, we're going to explain why if you heat metal, take a hammer, hammer it, and then cool it real quick, why does it become hard? If you've ever watched them make swords or knives, they take a piece of steel and they stick it in a furnace and it comes out red hot. They take it over, bang, 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 and they keep hammering it until they shape it in the shape they want. And then they heat it up really hot, hammer it some more, and then they dip it in cold water. And when they do that, it becomes extremely hard. All right, we're going to explain why it gets so hard when you do that. And we're going to do it with a key ring atom. So if we had steel, carbon, which is what this is, would be one of the elements in steel. Now, notice these grooves here in between the electron rings. You can see them here, right there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go down and make this simpler to see. What I've got here is these are two hot hydrogen. Now, if they're hot and they come out of the furnace and they're heated up, the electron rings are going to be big and they're almost expanded out to where they're a single round. There's nothing side by side. So whenever you bring them out of the furnace and you hammer them, think of it this way, wham, 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 and you hammer it, you are going to knock these electron rings close to each other. Now, if you let it cool, nice and slow, these would slowly work their way out. But when you cool them fast, you're going to hammer it in, and before it has a chance to work its way out, this would be as you're cooling it off. Now, as you cool it off, these are going to get tighter in there. Now, we'll go all the way over here to a very cold one, and as you put this in there, notice how tight it fits in between the grooves. So that's what we've done here, is as you cool it off, the electron rings get smaller and they get wider and they're going to get tighter just like this. Notice how much tighter this is than this. These easily slide apart. So which one's going to be harder? The closer you get these and the sooner you cool them, the harder the metal will be. It's that easy to understand. Now, this is just another video of a very simple, very easy explanation of physics. Now, can you go anywhere else on the internet, or can you go to a textbook and show, or you'll see with what they teach in school, somewhere where it says, oh, this is why if you have hammered metal and you cool it real fast, this is what it does? You ever had that explained to you at molecular level? Because they can't, because their geometry's wrong. Why is what I'm explaining so easy? It's because physics and chemistry are easy with the correct geometry.